Hi there. So if you want to connect your BERIBES Bluetooth headphones to literally any iPhone, let's take a look at this quick guide to pair them in just a few simple steps. Alright, so first let's open settings on our iPhone. From there to Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on. Now let's take BERIBES into pairing mode. Now what you need to do is just press and hold down this power button. In 3 to 4 seconds, it's supposed to go into pairing mode showing red and blue LED. And if it's got solid blue, maybe auto-connected to any previously paired nearby device, what you're going to do is just long press on this power key, turn it off first, and then once again press and hold down this key until it shows red and blue flashing LED. Now, as soon as you do that, BERIBES name should pop up in your iPhone's Bluetooth list along with the model number. Just go ahead, tap on it, and pair them together. And that's how simply you can pair any BERIBES Bluetooth headphones with your iPhone. Thanks for watching.